Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be showing you how to connect your Namecheap domain to your Lovable AI project. So what you're going to have to do first is simply start by opening your Lovable AI project. Then from here, simply click on the top left menu and go to Settings, and then simply select Domains. And from there, you'll then be able to see your default Lovable subdomain. And below it, there's going to be an option to add an existing domain. So simply type in your Namecheap domain, which is going to be something like yourdomain.com. Then simply click continue, and Lovable will then recognize your domain provider and give you 2 IP addresses that you need to add to Namecheap. Now once we've done this, we're going to have to head over to our Namecheap account, go to the domain list and click on manage next to the domain we want to connect. Then from there, you then have to scroll down to advanced DNS. Then add the 2 A records from Lovable. So the first A record is going to be the host name followed by the value, which is simply the first IP from Lovable. And the second A record is going to be the host name followed by the value, which is the second IP from Lovable. So just make sure to delete any conflicting or extra records if needed. And once both of the A records are added, you can then go back to Lovable, then click on I have added 2 out of 2 records and then click done. So your domain should now be able to appear in the domain section. But keep in mind, DNS propagation can take up to 48 hours. So it might take a bit of time before everything works perfectly. So that's it. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you in the next one.